Hey, what's up guys? Did you guys make this chili oil? It's been trending for a long time now. Maybe you just bought a bottle, it's still sitting around the house. I'm gonna show you what to do with it. So get yourself a pot, and you're gonna need a strainer. And guys, most of these recipes, they call for chili flakes. Some have the crispy shallot, garlics. We're gonna strain all of this out. And we're just gonna pour it right through this strainer. Just like that. Now we put it on the stove. So guys, I got my snappy popcorn. It's the mushroom caps. They're gonna pop into these big round balls. I'm gonna use about 1/3 of a cup. Let's cook some up. So guys, I'm just gonna go medium heat. Cover them, let them pop. When they're done, I throw them in a bowl and hit them with this yellow curry powder. Guys, it's spicy curry popcorn. Look at that. Just get in there and enjoy. Ooh. That's got some heat. The curry's nice. That's good. I taste all the nuances of the chili oil. The curry is a really nice balance to it. Man, what a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.